I got started with the LSO back in June. I came in with the first Tom Woods marketing push. I listened to, I don't know, I think 30 or 40 minutes of one of the episodes talking. And when they both started talking about playing, catch up at the age of 50 or whatever, I was like, okay, this is really calling to me. I got to do this. I didn't even listen to the last 10 or 15 minutes. I was like, I'm doing this. The entry fee is, it's going to be worth it to see if it works. And it did. So I did that for 2 months and then got the opportunity to join the Shark Club. The community has been fantastic. It's a very helpful group, very welcoming, very supportive. There's really just no infighting or political cliques that you can see like in the community chats, and certainly not here in Shark Club. So it's been a really neat community to be a part of. My first job out of college was with a group that traded 30-year bond options in the open outcry pits at the Chicago Board of Trade. And that was the high stress way of trading. The low stress way of doing it without the massive daily swings really called to me. And and that's what it is. So give it a try, considering how much it can change your life and your financial future. And if you do follow the framework, it will work. You just have to do it over time and in a somewhat diversified way. You don't have to be ultra diversified, but if you spread it around and follow the framework, it absolutely does work.
Hey, Troy here. If you want to see the complete framework and how all of the pieces fit together, sign up for my free masterclass series. It's so low stress, you can do it in 1 to 2 hours a week. So low risk, the government allows you to trade it in custodial accounts for children. And so effective, it targets up to 68% returns per year. Just click the link below and I'll walk you through everything.